Hey everybody, it's TheDollBoy, and today I wanted to share this review of Wonder Woman from DC Superhero Girls. I know this is already a pretty old doll, but I just recently got her, and I still wanted to share her with you as well. The doll I got did have a bit of a dented box, but that's fine for me because she wasn't too expensive, and I'll debox her anyways. As you can see, Wonder Woman comes in this window style box with Superhero High in the background. There's also a student card for Wonder Woman attached in the box. Then it says DC Superhero Girls on the top, and in the bottom there's an image of Wonder Woman. And I really love this artwork a lot. The sides of the box are just clear plastic, and on the back there's that same artwork again. It gives you some extra information about Wonder Woman's story, personality, and superpowers. And it also shows pictures of the dolls for Wonder Woman, Supergirl, and Batgirl. And then it also mentions that the dolls can stand on their own. And then it's time to get this doll out of the box. Because the box is basically just a cardboard background with a plastic cover, it was really easy to get this doll unboxed. As most dolls do, Wonder Woman also had those plastic tags in the back of her head to keep her secured in the box. Then let's get into the review. The doll has black hair with some really chunky highlights of blue that are only rooted in the part of the hair, which also has quite some bald spots, which is pretty unfortunate. To be honest, I don't really know what happened during the styling process of this doll's hair, but this one side has quite some curl and the other side is completely straight, which makes that one side look a lot shorter than the other side. Overall, I do wish the hair was a bit longer, but the quality of the hair does feel pretty good. But looking at the color, the way it is rooted, and the weird styling, I'm not really impressed. The headpiece, however, does look really pretty. It's attached with these tags on the side of the doll's head, and the back is just open, so you can easily slide it on and off, and it doesn't have to be opened or closed. Then I also really love the neck piece Wonder Woman comes with. This actually might be my favorite accessory the doll comes with. When I was looking at the neck piece, I noticed that the doll's eyes might be really wonky, because the left eye seems to be printed a lot higher than the right eye. I'm not sure if it's just me, so comment down below if you think her eyes are okay or if they're definitely wonky, because I'm really not sure. The doll also comes with these silver arm cuffs that are really easy to remove by just pulling the hand out, and then you can just plop the hand back on. To be honest, I also have no idea what the deal is with this belt, because it doesn't fit right at all. It is really loose around the doll's body. It does fit well if she wears it really low, but that looks super awkward with her pants. What I do think is really cool is that her lasso has a small piece that you can attach to the hook on the belt. Then for her outfit, without all the accessories, she's wearing a simple red top with shimmery red stars that has short white sleeves. Then she's wearing bright blue long pants with a strip of dark blue on the sides, with a bunch of white stars on them. And then she's wearing these red high boots. They are pretty big and have a really big surface area, which probably also helps the DC superhero girls to stand on their own. If you take off her boots, you can see that her feet are slightly pointed, and you can also see that her pants unfortunately are not full length. Both of the pieces velcro in the back and they are separate pieces. And then what I also really love is that the top is actually a bodysuit, which might make it a really cute swimsuit as well. While I was playing around with this doll, I noticed that she actually also has a joint in her chest, which is really cool. Another thing is that, as I expected, she can only stand on her own when she's wearing her boots. I also wanted to do a quick body comparison because this doll is actually quite different from what I expected. I expected the doll to be more similar to an Ever After High doll, but as you can see, Ever After High is a lot smaller and skinnier. The DC superhero girl has more defined muscles and an overall taller and bigger body. Articulation wise and the way the hands pop off, they are pretty similar, except for the added chest joint on the DC superhero girls. Comparing the feet, Wonder Woman's feet are a lot flatter than the Ever After High feet, but they both are still pointed. Overall though, the body shapes do really remind me of each other, which also makes sense because both dolls were made by Mattel. And then, comparing her to a made-to-move Barbie body, Wonder Woman is still taller, which actually really surprised me. Comparing the legs, they both feel equally skinny, however the DC superhero girl body is a lot more toned, compared to the straight arms and legs on Barbie. I actually really do like the shapes of the DC superhero girl, with those more realistic arms and legs. And the chest joints really wins my heart, because when you're taking photos of your dolls, this will make it a lot more fun to pose her. And the joint is also one thing the made-to-move doll has as well, but the Ever After High dolls were missing. I really hope you liked this video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and also make sure you have your notifications turned on to stay updated on my new videos. For more pictures, follow me on Instagram as well, @TheDollBoy. See you next time!